received 17 emergency response vehicles to the tune of 250,000 rand to help affected countries fight Ebola. The scooters, fitted to carry samples and medication, will also perform the critical function of helping health professionals reach affected areas not easily accessible due to poor road infrastructure. Well, our reporter, that's Offense Setimo, is tracking that story and he's on the line now. Good afternoon, Offense, and thank you for your time on the PM News Desk.
Afternoon.
Which countries will receive the vehicles and how soon, Offense?
They're saying during the course of this week, the 17 scooters will be spread through mostly the affected countries in the West Africa. They spoke of Mali. There was also a high commissioner from Mali who was there, and other representatives from some of the other governments that the outbreak has adversely affected. So the scooters will be taken there during the course of the week. The organizers are mentioning that they are in consultation with the high commissioners and the embassies to ensure a seamless transport of those scooters to mostly affected areas. They also mentioned that it's actually very difficult to reach the rural areas of which your normal vehicle struggles to actually get there to take samples or to take medication to the people who have contracted the Ebola virus. So they will actually assist, especially in those countries where infrastructure is not the best as you might desire. So the scooters will be appropriate to navigate through roads which are still not tarred and there's too many roads, too many what you may call stones and the likes.
Offense, as a beacon of public health on the continent and as a country that stands for African problems being resolved by Africans themselves, what other proactive steps is South Africa taking right now to help in the fight against Ebola on the continent?
From what I've heard, we've already sent a mobile laboratory to Mali, which will be used for, testing some of the people who might be affected, who might have contracted the disease. And there's specialists in different fields of pathology and the likes who are also assisting. And there's basically a fund that has been created by the health department appealing to companies that have been listed on the JSE to sort of contribute to the Ebola Health Fund in order to contribute to countries that have been affected by the outbreak itself.
Thank you, Offense Setimo, our SABC reporter on the line to us from Pretoria there.